Hello there, it's Mr. Saem. Today I just want to discuss one topic in JavaScripting, which is the error handling. How does the try and the catch work? It's quite a simple concept. Let's have a look. So I have already typed a script over here where I have the try and the catch. So try and catch, they go together. Please try to remember the script. I would like you to type it yourself so that you remember it. So try has its own code block and catch has its own code block, but you need to remember that catch has its own parameter, which is ERR, which is for error. Now you can see over here is I have an alert over here which is appearing one time that says start of my try statement. Then I've just mentioned this la 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 is just some declaration without any variable. So the variable has been undefined. It's not defined. Then I have an alert appearing again. And the reason why I have this alert is because I want to see that if we occur an error, will this occur or not? Obviously this should not occur because the error comes first and then the alert comes. So alert should appear after some sort of error comes. Ultimately there should be no alert. So what we're doing over here is we have catch. So try will work. Try will look at this, okay, and if it finds any error, it will go to the catch, okay, and it will give me this alert. So you can see over here is if I run this, it says start of try runs. Now start of try runs is basically, so try enters its code block and it gives me this alert. Fine, I press OK. Error has occurred. So as soon as it goes to line number 14, it sees that there is a variable that has been undefined, which is an error. So it suddenly at once goes to catch and gives me the alert which is in the code block of the catch. So this is the way the try and the catch basically work. A much more elaborated version is over here where we have try and we have this error. Just simple error. I have not stated any alert over here. So if there is an error occurs, we can even define the error name, the error message, and the error stack, which basically means the reference error. So you can see over here is I get to know the error name, which is the reference error, the error message, can't find variable la la, and the error.stack, which tends to give me that la la is not defined. It's the reference error, and at the end it gives me the alert telling me that what the error is all about. I have another example over here is that we can even, so you see alert, wrong spelling. So obviously it will cache this error, it will go to the catch, and it will display the error in my document through error.message. So you can even do it through getElementById.inheritable. You have to write error.message. So ERR has to be used with catch. Try can be used in any code block where you want to find the error, and you can use the catch anywhere, somewhere else in the code block where you want it to work. So this is the way your try and the catch and error handling works in JavaScripting.